To link your PayPal account to Robinhood, follow these steps. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap the account icon in the top right corner. Then select Transfers from the drop-down menu. Next, tap Linked Accounts and then Add New Account. You will see a list of available banks and payment methods. Select PayPal from this list. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page. Enter your PayPal login credentials to authenticate the connection. Once you have logged in, you will be asked to authorize Robinhood to access your PayPal account. Review the terms and conditions. Then confirm the connection. After confirming, you will be redirected back to the Robinhood app, where you should see your PayPal account listed under Linked Accounts. To verify the connection, initiate a small transfer from your PayPal account to Robinhood. This will confirm that the accounts are successfully linked. Keep in mind that transferring funds from PayPal to Robinhood may take a few business days to complete. It is essential to note that you must have a verified PayPal account and sufficient funds to transfer to Robinhood. Also, be aware of any transfer fees associated with moving funds from PayPal to Robinhood. By following these steps, you can easily link your PayPal account to Robinhood and start transferring funds to invest in the stock market.